Most people think you need to be a tech expert to make money with AI. But that is not true. You do not need to code. You do not need a huge audience. You do not need to build the next big startup. You just need to understand one thing. AI helps you do useful work faster. And when you can help someone save time, create content, organize their business, or sell better online, that can become extra income. So in this video, we will show you 5 beginner-friendly ways to use AI to make extra money, even if you are starting from zero. Welcome back to Official AI Hustle Club, where we make AI simple, practical, and useful for everyday people. Part 1. The biggest beginner mistake. Before we talk about side hustles, let's clear one thing. AI itself is not the business. Using ChatGPT and asking, "How do I make money?" is not enough. The real opportunity is this. Use AI to create something useful for someone else. For example, a small business owner does not want AI. They want more Instagram posts. A coach does not want AI. They want better emails. A restaurant does not want AI. They want more customers. A YouTuber does not want AI. They want scripts, thumbnails, titles, and repurposed content. So don't sell AI. Sell the result. That is the mindset shift. Part 2. Side hustle. 1. AI content repurposing. The first beginner-friendly AI side hustle is content repurposing. This means taking one piece of content and turning it into many smaller pieces. For example, a business owner records one podcast or YouTube video. You can use AI to turn that into Instagram captions, LinkedIn posts, X the Twitter threads, short video ideas, email newsletters, blog summaries, and carousel post outlines. This is valuable because creators and business owners are busy. They already have content, but they don't have time to reuse it properly. That is where you come in. You can offer a simple package like, "I will turn one long video into 10 social media posts." Beginner tools you can use: ChatGPT for captions and summaries, Canva for designs, CapCut for short video editing, Google Docs or Notion for delivery. Example prompt: convert this YouTube transcript into 10 Instagram post ideas, 5 LinkedIn posts, 3 short-form video hooks, and 1 email newsletter. Keep the tone simple, practical, and engaging. You can start by helping local businesses, coaches, creators, schools, or small shops. This is one of the easiest places to begin because you don't need to invent content from scratch. You are improving and repackaging what already exists. Part 3. Side hustle. AI social media assistant. The second idea is becoming an AI-powered social media assistant. Many small businesses know they should post online, but they don't know what to post. You can help them with content calendars, caption writing, hashtag ideas, post designs, reel scripts, basic analytics, and weekly posting plans. This is already a real market. Social media virtual assistant services are commonly listed on freelance platforms, and small businesses often hire support because consistent posting takes time. Here is a simple beginner offer. I will create 20 social media post ideas and 10 captions for your business every month. You can target cleaning companies, tuition centers, restaurants, gyms, salons, local shops, schools, real estate agents, and consultants. Example prompt: act as a social media strategist for a local cleaning equipment business. Create a 30-day Instagram content calendar with post ideas, captions, reel hooks, and simple call to actions. Keep the tone professional but friendly. The money is not in being an AI expert. The money is in helping a business show up online consistently. Part 4. Side Hustle. 3. AI Resume and LinkedIn Makeover. The third beginner-friendly idea is helping people improve their resume, cover letter, and LinkedIn profile using AI. This is useful because many people struggle to explain their experience clearly. You can help job seekers with resume rewriting, LinkedIn headline improvement, about section writing, cover letters, interview answers, and job-specific application edits. This does not mean blindly copying AI output. Your job is to make the person sound clear, confident, and professional. Example prompt. Rewrite this resume bullet point to sound stronger, more specific, and achievement-focused. Keep it honest and do not exaggerate. Give me 3 versions: beginner, professional, and executive. Simple package idea. Resume plus LinkedIn profile improvement for job seekers. You can start with friends, students, fresh graduates, or people changing jobs. This works well because the problem is emotional and urgent. People want better jobs and they need help presenting themselves properly. Part 5. Side Hustle. 4. AI Digital Products. The fourth idea is creating small digital products with AI. This could be budget planners, meal planners, Notion templates, study planners, prompt packs, checklists, children's worksheets, social media calendars, business templates, or printable trackers. You create the product once and sell it multiple times. Now, be honest. This is not instant passive income. You still need a good idea, good design, and basic marketing. But AI makes product creation much faster. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to create the structure of a budget planner. Use Canva to design it. Sell it on Gumroad, Etsy, Payhip, or your own website. Example prompt. Create a simple 30-day budget planner for beginners. Include income tracking, expense categories, savings goals, debt tracking, weekly reflection questions, and a final monthly review page. You can create products for very specific audiences: busy moms, students, freelancers, teachers, small business owners, people trying to lose weight, people learning AI, or families planning travel. Specific products sell better than generic ones. Instead of budget planner, create simple monthly budget planner for working parents. Instead of prompt pack, create 50 ChatGPT prompts for small business Instagram content. That is more useful. Part 6. Side Hustle. 5. AI Research Assistant. The fifth idea is becoming an AI research assistant. This means helping people collect, organize, and summarize information. For example, a business owner wants competitor research. A YouTuber wants topic research. A student wants study notes. A real estate agent wants local market summaries. A founder wants a list of potential clients. You can use AI to speed up the research, then organize the result into a useful document. Important: AI can make mistakes. So this side hustle needs human checking. Do not just copy and paste AI answers. Verify facts. Check sources. Organize clearly. Summarize in simple language. Example offer: I will research 20 competitors in your niche and summarize their offers, pricing, content strategy, and positioning. Example prompt: Create a competitor research template for a small business. Include columns for company name, website, target audience, main offer, pricing, social media activity, strengths, weaknesses, and content ideas we can learn from. This is powerful because many businesses need research but hate doing it. AI helps you do it faster, but your value is in judgment and organization. Part 7. The Beginner Roadmap. Now, here is the simple 7-day roadmap. Day 1. Pick one service. Do not start 5 side hustles at once, but pick one. For beginners, we recommend starting with either AI content repurposing, AI social media assistant work, or resume LinkedIn improvement. These are easier to explain and easier to sell. Day 2. Create 3 sample works. If you want to do social media content, create sample captions. If you want to do resumes, create before and after examples. If you want to do digital products, create one small template. You need proof before people trust you. Day 3. Create a simple offer. Your offer should be very clear. Bad offer. I can help you with AI. Good offer. I will create 10 Instagram captions for your business in 48 hours. Clear offer. Clear result. Clear timeline. Day 4. Make a simple portfolio. Use Google Docs, Canva, Notion, or a basic PDF. Show what you do, sample work, pricing, delivery time, and contact details. Day 5. Contact 20 people. Message local businesses, creators, friends, or LinkedIn connections. Keep it simple. Example message. Hi, I noticed your business is active online. I help small businesses create social media captions and content ideas using AI-assisted workflows. I made 3 sample post ideas for your business. Would you like me to send them? Do not spam. Make it personal. Offer value first. Day 6. Deliver one small free or low-cost sample. At the beginning, your goal is not to become rich. Your goal is to get proof, feedback, and testimonials. Day 7. Turn it into a repeatable package. Once someone likes your work, offer a monthly package. For example, 10 captions per month, 20 captions per month, weekly content calendar, monthly newsletter, or ongoing LinkedIn support. Recurring income is better than one-time income. Part 8. Realistic expectations. Let's be honest. AI side hustles are not magic. You will not press one button and make money overnight. You still need to learn the tools, practice prompts, improve your output, find clients, communicate clearly, and deliver quality work. But here is the good news. You do not need to be perfect to start. You only need to be useful. If you can save someone 5 hours per week, that has value. If you can help a small business post consistently, that has value. If you can help a job seeker present themselves better, that has value. AI gives you leverage, but trust, taste, and consistency still come from you. So if you are a beginner and want to make extra money with AI, don't overthink it. Start with one simple service. Use AI to work faster. Add your human judgment. Create samples. Reach out to people. Get feedback. Improve. Repeat. The easiest way to start is not by building a big business. It is by solving one small problem for one real person. That is how AI becomes income. And if you want more practical AI side hustle ideas, subscribe to the official AI Hustle Club, because this is where we make AI simple, useful, and profitable for everyday people.